Namaste, I'm Shahid Khan. Welcome to Yoga Simplified. Today I'll be teaching you Urdhva Hastasana. The reason I've chosen this posture today is as we advance more into the series, this is one of the basic postures. You will have some kind of a movement of this in postures later on. Just to explain Urdhva Hastasana first. Stand in Tadasana. Keep your body weight on your heels, but push your toes slightly on the floor. Inhale. Exhale. Now there are two ways to do Urdhva Hastasana. One is this. You take a deep inhalation, open your upper chest, move your upper thoracic spine forward, and in one inhalation, take your arms up. Exhale, arms down. One version is inhale, take your arms up, take your arms down. I prefer the first version because it gives you a good breath and a chest opening. Inhale. Now when your arms are here, I would call this a 90-degree arm position. When your arms are completely up, this is a 180-degree arm position. When you're taking your arms down, you can come down the same way. Exhale or exhale. Now why two positions? Why 90? Why 180? Urdhva Hastasana, when you do it, this is one posture you do before coming down in forward extension and Uttanasana. Then you have the 180 position. When you're doing Trikonasana, here you have the 90-degree position of your arm. So both your arms would come in that Urdhva, Ardha Urdhva Hastasana in 90 degrees. When you're doing Parshva Konasana, then you have your one arm in Urdhva Hastasana. Just to explain it, I'll keep my one arm in Urdhva Hastasana so you understand it easier. And down. And up. When you're doing your handstand, you have Urdhva Hastasana. It's a simple but an important posture to understand. So once again, stand in Tadasana. Inhale. One inhalation. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. From the side. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. If you have any questions, just write it down and I'll answer them. Thank you.